In 2025, a total of 5,000 road traffic deaths were reported. 2025, compared to 4,448 in 2024, reflecting an increase of 261 fatalities. During the 2025 festive period alone, we recorded 415 deaths compared to 338 deaths in 2024 for the same festive season, that represented an increase of 77 deaths, or 23% increase.
And we do the cameras and then the instant funds immediately, okay? Within, because I have seen the pilot have been done, all right? It was done. So, and very successful, you know, and we will raise a lot of money. Yeah, so you'll have a lot of money, Chief Justice, when when we just need to get the ministry to sort. So 70% of this big problem we are trying to solve here can be sorted out with just 2 interventions: instant fines and vehicle inspection. Things within our purview and our reach in months.